Want to use your own domain with Lovable AI? Then you can easily do that using Namecheap, and I will walk you through what you need to do step by step. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect Namecheap domain to Lovable AI. First, you go to your Lovable AI project. So I'm going to use this as my demo. Now click the drop down in the top left and go to settings. From there, select the domain tab and now click this connect domain. And it will ask you to enter your domain. This is where you type the domain name you have bought from Namecheap. For example, yourwebsite.com. As I didn't plan for premium, so I cannot connect the domain. So I'm going to just tell you the step, what you need to do. And then now open a new tab, go to namecheap.com, log into your account and go to dashboard. And then go to name list section and find the domain you want to connect. And then click manage and next to it. Then go to advanced DNS tab. This is where you will be adding 8 records. And Lovable will give you 2 A records you need to set up, one for www.com and one for @ In Namecheap, click add new record, choose a record, then for the first one, post www and value that you can do copy from Lovable, then click save and then repeat the process for the next one. Once both records are added, then go back to Lovable and click done. Now this step wouldn't work instantly. Domain connections can take up to 48 hours to fully activate. So I just show you this step, it's manually done. You can automatically connect your Lovable to Namecheap, but with manual you can easily fully control everything. So I hope this video was helpful, and this is how you actually connect the Namecheap domain to Lovable. Even though I didn't demo it myself, you can just easily follow this step and you will get it down smoothly. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Catch you in my next video.